that they died. In September of 1995, Jacques and Frank was living in a house in Roodepoort. They were having sexual intercourse when Brown noticed that somebody was peeping into the window. They realized that it's the gardener, a 27-year-old man, and Brown invited him to join them. So Brown was again watching Jacques and the gardener having intercourse, and a fit of rage and jealousy overcame him, and he then killed this gardener. Jacques again stepped in. They actually removed this man's genitalia, and they dumped his body in Krugersdorp and his genitalia somewhere else. So that was in September of 1995. 3 weeks after murdering the gardener, the killers went to a park for a walk, and a 32-year-old man called Robert Richter approached them for sexual intercourse. They accepted this offer, and the three of them went back to Robert Richter's house in Edenvale. While there, Robert told them that he likes to be tied up. The two killers just looked at each other, and they seized this opportunity to tie this man up and murder him. They then robbed his house of valuables, they stole a firearm, and left the premises with his vehicle. So these two men have now killed Chris Anderson, the 30-year-old unknown man, the 15-year-old unknown boy, the gardener, and Robert Richter, who took them to his house. And little after a month from Robert's death, Frank Brown decided to rob the lady that allowed him to stay at her house, and he stole a firearm from her. Luckily, she reported this to police, and Frank was arrested. At that time, Jacques wasn't with him, and the police didn't know that these people were the killers of those 5 people. Frank was found guilty of stealing the firearm, and he was actually sentenced to prison. And it was while he was in jail or in prison that he decided to call an inspector from the police and tell them of these crimes that he and Jacques had committed. So eventually the police had a lot of questions, and they were thinking maybe this person is just looking for attention, but they assigned some people to the case, and after many months of investigating,